Good afternoon, everyone. Michael Woods in the kitchen. What's he's cooking for lunch? You're wondering what I'm cooking, but I know it's not healthy. But I gotta eat something for lunch, and I gotta get back to work. Um, I overcooked my spam. My spam. I think I overcooked it, but I'm making spam with buns, and I got the Hawaiian buns. You see, Hawaiian buns and stuff like that. I've been tired of eating outside. Gotta cook something simple. Going out takes a long time. It's just there's not a house, so you got to go out there, go to the restaurant, then you got to wait for another 15, 20 minutes to order your food. Then it takes another 30 minutes to another 30 minutes to cook your food, and by the time you're done eating, another 10 minutes you got to pay for your bill, and it takes about like an hour process. So it's better just cook at home something because I got to do something quick and easy, eat something quick and easy, and then get back to work because the cold and flu season's coming up and a lot of work going on. A lot of customers just hitting me up because a lot of people have so many health issues, and I love helping people. Giving people a better quality of life, and I gotta get my food ready. And I know it's spam. Ever since I was a little kid, I've been eating spam, but I got sick of it eating it. But you gotta have things in moderation. But you don't believe me? When I was growing up, I went to my cousin's wedding. Guess what? There was a whole party tray of egg rolls. I ate that damn whole egg roll, and then I felt sick to my stomach next day. Didn't have no appetite to eat anymore. So make sure you eat your food in moderation. Don't overdose on food, because if you overdose on food, you're not gonna feel so good. You're gonna feel sick to your stomach, and that's what I learned. But spam had a lot of sodium in it, but I'm gonna have to increase my dosage of the enzymes because when you eat too much meat, too much meat, it has muscle tissue, so it's harder to digest. So you need to increase the dosage of the enzymes, so it helps break down your protein and your amino acids, and you will never feel bloated ever again. If you're in a situation you feel bloated, you have to take the daily digest enzymes. So invest or grab your bottles today. I promise you, you will feel much better, and you'll thank me in the long run. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you have a good day. Gotta enjoy my lunch. I haven't ate anything. All I had was coffee. So, talk to you guys soon.